Hi, this is DIY Manual, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a TUSY stand-up paddleboard. So the box is 29 pounds and it's 35 by 9 by 17. So I got this thing and it has like a little hole in here. And if you look here, this is I guess it's part of the paddle. Hopefully nothing else is damaged inside. That's the only problem I see right now on the package. So let's open it up and let's see the condition of the paddleboard. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so what we got here. Okay, first you'll see the bag, the carry bag that comes with it. It's labeled TUSY. Looks like a good quality to me, so let's see. We'll try to put the paddleboard there later. So I have the bag. It comes with a warranty card. So they have 30 days for return for any defective product. And they have 30 days to 24 months for anything that could happen, and some instructions there. So you got the user manual. You got the repair kit. It's nice. Let's see what's in it. So the repair kit comes with I'm not sure what's this for. We'll see. And it comes with a black vinyl, and as well as the wood texture vinyl. So because that's what I got. So what I notice here is there is no PVC glue, so you're gonna have to provide your own glue if you need to repair your paddleboard. It also comes with a shoulder strap, so you can carry your paddleboard easily. Comes with a set of fin. There's two small one and one big one. Comes with a paddle. The paddle is actually metal, and the actual oar and the actual paddle right here is hard plastic. So hopefully it lasts. This is the one that came out of the box. This is the handle of the pump. So we have this dual action pump. Basically it should pump as you pull it up and you push it down. So hopefully this will make the pumping a lot faster. It also comes with a leg strap, and this is probably to strap your paddle so you don't lose it because it's smaller. And you have the paddleboard right here, and it's packaged properly. It's in a bag. Let me go take it out. So this is the board. It has a wood look. So what I like about this inflatable paddleboard is, number one, it comes with a camera mount. This is for your GoPro camera or GoPro type camera. It comes with a lot of D-rings. So you have 6 D-rings right here to handle all your items. And it also comes with 4 D-rings in the body. For those D-rings, you should be able to install your kayak seats. And also have another D-ring here for transportation support. And also this thing comes with a handle here, as well as handle on the other side. So you can get some help when you carry your paddleboard. So this is where you inflate it. So let me open it. It is nice that they put this thing in so that you don't lose the cover. And to deflate, basically just press this. So let's pump this and see how long will it take to inflate this paddleboard. So it says here Working pressure not more than 12 psi when SUP in direct sunlight. So if it's not direct sunlight, then you could put it to 15 psi maximum. 10 psi minimum, maximum is 15 psi. But if it's under direct sunlight, you don't want to put more than 12 psi. So let's go inflate it and see how long it will take. Okay, so here's the pump that comes with it. It looks like there's two hole where you put the hose. It's this one right here, and I think this is to deflate it, and the one on top is where you want to put your hose when you want to inflate it. The pump also comes with a PSI gauge, and according to the manual, this should not show up until around 7 psi. So you're gonna have to keep pumping until you get the pressure. And it looks like right here it will show you there's a green line is from 15 to 20 psi. Yellow line is from 5 to 15 psi. So let's go get started. So to pump, I'm gonna put this right here by the handle. This thing looks flimsy to me. I don't like this pump at all. So I'm not sure if this thing's gonna last. And this one right here goes in here. So this thing goes right here. I think you have to like just push it on and twist it. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna put a stopwatch just to see, so that I can time myself how long does it take to pump it. I'm not gonna show that whole thing in the video because I'm sure it's gonna be a while. So let me start it and start pumping. That's 2 minutes. Go 6 times. 4 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, so that is tiring. Took me about, let's see, I'm not sure if you can see that, it's too bright. Let me go there. Took me 6 minutes and 6 seconds to pump this to 15 psi. It's right here, right now, right there on the green, right on the spot. So let me go take this thing out. Hopefully air will not come out. Oops, sorry. There you go. And maybe just put this back in and lock it. So this is a dual action pump, and basically when it gets heavy at around 13 psi, it becomes really heavy. What you want to do is to turn this, take this thing out from here, and what that will do is it will convert the double action into just one action. So it basically just fill the air when you're pushing it down, and that makes it a lot easier. Okay, so here it is without the fin. I do like the wood grain. It looks pretty nice, and it's actually hard. So I think this thing's gonna give us a couple of years of use. So and this is non-slip. Even this wood grain is non-slip as well, so it looks nice to me. And you have a carrying handle here right in the middle. It's really light, so, and also you can also install the shoulder strap right here, make it easier for you to carry. Okay, so I saw another D-ring here at the bottom. This is the front bottom, so I'm not sure why is it here. Maybe just for tying it down in your car when you're driving, if you don't want to fold it. But let me try to put in the fins. Okay, so the package comes with these 3 fins. This is the big one for this, and there's 2 small ones for the side fins. So to install this, basically you just put it right here and push it down, and you see this one here, you just push it in like this. Now do the same thing on the other side. Push it down, and the fin, just go like this and push it. Now both sides locked. So if you notice this big fin right here, so let me go. So this thing goes inside, and basically just slide it in there. And then if you look at the big fin, this part right here, see this thing, this part right here goes inside this. So what you do is install it like this, right? And then push it down. There you go. And just put this thing in to the latch it to the metal, and then screw it. So you can move this all the way here, or you can move it for a little forward. It's really up to you. Just tighten it so that it doesn't fall right here. So that is the bottom of your stand-up paddleboard. So it's really neat. I really like it. The only thing I don't like is, I'm not sure why do they need to put the size of the board right here on the side, and it's a big writing right there, and it's actually on both sides, so it makes the board look cheaper. See that? I wish they just painted this thing black, and hopefully, and like, they should have just put the size right here, just a small one, because you don't really need that to be displayed. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe button. I'm going to be putting another video of this once we bring it to the water and have it tested.